Oh, bless you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Srish, and today I'm sharing with you a really quick video on some ideas for headers, subheaders, titles, subtitles, fonts, placements, scripts, and everything to do with lettering. And I feel like this is one of those videos that you want to bookmark and come back to when you're planning your week out, because all of these are great in bullet journals, in diaries and planners, or just in general for design elements and banners and things like that. So there will be no talking, we're just time-lapsing through this video. And if you like it, please remember to leave me a thumbs up so I know to create more of these in the future. And if you haven't already, then hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss another video from me. So without much further ado, let's do this. you go, guys. Those are some headers and subheaders and ideas just to put in your journal, just to make them a little prettier. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it hasn't been too dull without any voiceover. If it has been, then please let me know in the comments below and I will make sure to change it next time. But if you do like it, then let me know in the comments below also, so I know to make more like these. So again, if you like this video, remember to leave me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss another video from me. And if you like my work and if you'd like to support it, then please take a second to go check out my free podcast. I will leave a link in the description. It is on a Patreon page, but there are free episodes that you don't have to even subscribe to listen to. So make sure you go there and check it out. I will leave a link in the description. And that's pretty much all I have to say today. So thank you so much for spending some time with me today. You know I love spending time with you. If the camera just shook, that was my dog running at me full speed. I have no idea what he wants, but I'm gonna go check him out right now. So yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.